Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to deposit a check on PayPal. Alright, so let's begin. First, ensure that you take a clear and well-lit picture of your check. Make sure all the information on the check is legible in the photograph. The entire check should be visible without any shadows or obstructions. After taking the picture, open the PayPal app and log into your account. Navigate to the section where you can deposit checks. This is typically found under the More menu or in the Wallet section of the app. Follow the prompts to upload the photo of your check. Once you've uploaded the image, PayPal will review the check. This review process is generally quick, but may take a few moments to complete. After PayPal has reviewed and approved your check, you will be given two options. 1. You can choose to pay a small fee to have the funds credited to your PayPal balance almost immediately. 2. Alternatively, you can opt to wait for standard processing time, typically a few days, to receive the funds without any additional fee. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check into your PayPal account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.